This is 24-inch shower arm. Let us have a look. It is 24-inch. Before installing, you must apply Teflon tape on this. Take Teflon tape. Do it like this. Now it is ready for the use. Check the threads on the other side. The threads are very fine. See, the quality of the material is very nice, and it is a mirror finish. I can see my face in this clearly. See, very nice one and very good one, and the quality one. When I open the tap, the water is falling near to this and here. So when I take bath, my body is closer to the tap, so it will not be convenient. That's what I did. I purchased this one, lengthy one. I can take the bath conveniently. That much length is extended, so it will be more comfortable. You can open this. Yes, this point is inside, so I have to give extension point for this to extend from here to here. I will show you. This is the extension point. It will look like this. Now I applied Teflon tape here. Before placing this, place this flange. After placing the flange, it will look like this. Press it like this and rotate it. It's over. Now place this here. And tight it. Hand tight it. It will be enough. Full tight it. Now I am opening this. This is the dispenser. Once you open it, you will find one filter like this along with the washer, a round washer. Place it here, tight it. Once you did that, tight from here. Hand tight will be enough. We prepared for the bigger length. Hand tight will be enough, but don't over tight it. This much, so that much is extended. Earlier was up to here. Up to here, I can come here and take the bath. So there will be a free space. There will be a free space, and I will be little away from the taps, so I can take the bath conveniently. See, that much distance is there from tap to the shower. Earlier it was less. There should not be any leakage from this point after opening. I hope this video is useful. Let us meet again.